you're missing that magical sensation in your life. Do you want to one-up the competition? Or maybe you just want to go back to the way the world used to be? Then come on over to Universal Studios Japan. Here you can fly with the legendary hippogriff, gorge yourself on delicious shark meat, go-karting against the notorious Koopalings. This is more than just fairy tales and make-believe. This is the real deal. Come and see the stars and ride the movies at USJ!
Good morning.
Matching again. That's a color jacket he's gonna be wearing.
Oh, really?
It's in his
Alright, I'm gonna go change. Let's go.
So, today we'll be spending the day at Universal Studios Japan, and I'm here to show you how you can enjoy the park to the fullest potential. We'll go over some tips and tricks you can use the next time you're able to visit the park, and as an example, I'll also show you what our itinerary was. Well, to be honest, this portion of the trip was planned out by our talented and resident theme park expert, Veronica Tito. I'll just be reporting how we did it. Anyways, let's get to it. Before going to the park, you'll want to plan out exactly which attractions you want to visit. As an example, here's a list of attractions we visited and the schedule that we followed. Shout out to Veronica for making such an easy to follow and manageable schedule. It really made the day much more enjoyable. When we bought our tickets, we opted to purchase an additional express pass, which allows you to shorten your wait time for specific rides. While they are a bit more expensive, with it being our first time in Universal Studios Japan, I definitely say it was worth it being able to avoid waiting in the long lines. We chose Express Pass 4, the XR Plus selection option, which gave us express passes to the Harry Potter Forbidden Journey ride, Super Nintendo World, the Mario Kart ride, and the Demon Slayer XR ride. Additionally, this pass also gets you one express pass for any of these attractions. Also, one more thing to keep in mind is that the time frames for each express pass are showing between what times you are able to use the pass to enter the ride. For example, we are able to enter the Harry Potter Forbidden Journey ride via express pass anytime between 9:30 to 10 a.m., but only once. For the first stop for the day, we journeyed over to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Our first planned ride for the day was the Forbidden Journey. In order to fully experience this area, we allotted a couple of hours here, which gave us an opportunity to not only catch the ride, but also check out the gift shops and other local attractions.
True.
After finishing the Harry Potter area, it was time for lunch. So, we made our way down to Amity Village, a section of the park dedicated to the film Jaws.
The food is there.
Here, we had lunch at the Amity Landing, a restaurant inspired by the film and which also features movie-accurate foods. I got myself the delicious shark sandwich meal, which came with a cream soda and a cream soda Swiss roll. After lunch, we had about an hour until our next scheduled time slot. So, we decided to split off for a bit and explore different parts of the park. I decided to check out the Jurassic Park section and was able to catch a live performance of the dinosaurs. The next stop for the day was to Super Nintendo World, an entire theme park dedicated to all things Nintendo.
Here we go! Let's go! Here we go! Woohoo!
For this area, the plan was to ride Mario Kart Koopa's Challenge. Our express pass to the Mario Kart ride was valid from 12:30 to 1, so we decided to check out the ride first before exploring the rest of the area. In Super Nintendo World, you'll feel as if you've just jumped into a Mario level. From mushrooms to piranha plants, there's so much here to explore. The last express pass we had for the day was for the Demon Slayer XR ride, a virtual reality ride combined with a roller coaster. This ride is a Japan exclusive, so we really wanted to make sure we had a chance to visit it. With that ride completed, the gang split up to enjoy the rest of the park before calling it a day.
I work in the airline industry, so very early morning, very cold.
Finally got into our Ryokan after like 6 hours of travel.
Feels like it.
How do you guys feel?
I'm fucking dead.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Pumped to get in whatever hot tub they have for us here.
Hey,
Nice.
don't believe anything that Bronson says. He made friends with the locals.
That's true. That's true.
He's on their side now.
Yeah.
Right? Noah, how do you feel?
It's good. Time to get soaking, I think.
Dude, I'm excited. So dinner's at 6:30. We'll meet up everyone else. It's the four of us in this room. And then we got, what was the other side? Oh, they're
It's
coming
a
back.
4-4-2 set.
4-3.
No,
Alright.
4-4-2. Just a 2. Yeah. Just think of it.
This side. I see. This is the girl side.
This is the
Because
gang.
it matches the girl.
Ah.
For the gram.
That's good.
We can see the reflection of everybody in the room.
Really?
Yeah.
And cut.
And cut.
I think it's still recording.
That's okay. We can fix it in post.
Oh, it is.
We can fix it in post.
We can fix it in post.
Fix it in post.
Just
I try to have one movie-like shot, and all of a
you
sudden,
can if you take a closer shot or turn off the lights and take a shot, you can probably just cover the.
maybe later.
Spice it in here.
Maybe later.
The streamers are good.
Yeah.
They don't even move. They just like look around. There's like nothing there, and they're just guessing. Like, they get it.
He's dead. Unfortunate.
R.I.P. our boy.
Unfortunate. He's missing out on the Greek TV.
No, I'm not.
That is us.
And the dessert
Whoa.
was like
What's up, gang?
Oh,
We're good. We'll do this. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Cheers first, dog.
Cheers. Kanpai, kanpai. Kanpai. Oh,
Eatables.
alright.
Yeah, right. Wait for them to introduce the dish.
Camera use first.
Did we really go to
Any like shenanigans of this, that always reminds me of the beginning of Monty Python. Just like Warhead God.
I hate that I
That's so funny. I also quote a kid who's gonna be the just like every time you watch it. Yeah. Take picture of the entire movie. Like, ooh, yikes, man. Anyway, you teed it up for you, basically. He's edgy.
It's like 80 bucks.
It depends.
Dude.
Oh,
dude. Looks back at the strip like, I'm a great camera. She was a. It's kind of like a face. Yeah. There's like a moment where his girlfriend wakes up.
How much
I've
you
used
get
gaslight.
put on the spot.
That's what he needs to.
You're right.
Yep. Now it's recording.
Okay, I see. I thought you meant.
Oh.